Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mr. Boylan, and today we are going to describe and calculate the relationship between volume, pressure, number of moles, and temperature for an ideal gas as described by the ideal gas law. So this is the final gas law that we're going to work with. If you take a look at how we're going to break it down, the first thing we're going to do is just describe the relationships expressed by the ideal gas law, and then use the ideal gas law to calculate either pressure, volume, temperature, or amount of moles of a gas when the other three quantities are known. All right, so as we talked about earlier, the relationships between pressure, volume, temperature, and number of moles of gas are indicated by the combined gas law. Because these variables are related in such a way as to provide a constant, which we'll use the letter R for, it can be used to solve for any of those variables when the three remaining variables are known. So basically, today is all about algebra. Yes! They're excited! Whoa, turn the kinetic energy down. Just turn it down. So this is going to come in really handy using the gas constant R and the combined gas law when we are maybe not thinking about changing conditions, but we're just focused on, but when we just know some of the variables of the gas and we're looking to solve for one of the unknown variables. And many times when we talk about the ideal gas law, the variables in the equation are going to be rearranged and it'll be expressed as you see on your screen there. Pivnert! Now, a really important thing to talk about when we discuss the ideal gas law is the ideal gas constant R. It has been experimentally determined and is the same for all gases. But where students will often run into problems is the fact that there is a different gas constant depending on the type of pressure units that you are using. So why we started this unit with temperature and pressure conversions, because there's so many different pressure units to watch out for. So when you're working through problems using the ideal gas law, you want to make sure that you choose the correct gas constant that matches the pressure units that you're working with in the problem.